My name is Rachel Bretker, and I'm a lower elementary center-based MOCI teacher for moderately or cognitive impaired students. When I was in high school, I participated in a peer-to-peer program, and from there I just met a lot of students with disabilities and then continued those friendships outside of school. So it just kind of always drew me in to work with other people, kids, and even adults with disabilities. So a MOCI teacher creates lesson plans that are individualized for a student based on their ability. So sometimes it may look different for each and every student. However, it's focused on that student to fit their needs. A MOCI teacher teaches students with moderate to severe cognitive impairments, as well as our program teaches students with autism, emotional impairments, as well as severe multiple impairments. So in our center-based program, we focus on academics, social skills, behavioral techniques, as well as community or life skills. So sometimes that entails us going out in the community and checking out new places such as parks, grocery stores, eating out, practicing those life skills with our peers, as well as focusing on academics within our school building. I'd say one of the most rewarding aspects as being a MOCI teacher is watching students grow throughout the school year and even sometimes throughout more consecutive years. Sometimes we have students on our caseloads for anywhere from 1 to even 5 years. So watching them grow and as well connecting with their families has been a great thing. If you're considering a career in special education, I would highly suggest just volunteering in a local school district. I started doing that and it really helped me narrow down what kind of setting in special education I felt the most comfortable in, as well as just got you some more experience in the field. I personally moved to the UP because I just really enjoy the weather. However, I've been coming up here for many years since I was really little and just loved the community, the small town, rural feel, and fell in love with teaching up here.